Today, I want to briefly share about how to publish your games easily with UDP and our integration with the HMS Core Kit, which we have made some progress in the past few months. Many people, in particular in gaming industry, have been well aware of Unity, as Unity has been the world's most widely used real-time 3D development platform. You see great titles like Hearthstone, Call of Duty, and Beat Saber are all made with Unity. Currently, more than 50% of new mobile games are powered by Unity, and 60% of all AR/VR contents are powered by Unity. In China, we have been growing very fast, thanks to our strong Unity developer community based in China, and our great local partners such as Huawei. Unity's mission is to help developers succeed, and we have launched many products and services to empower developers to create, operate, and monetize their games. Among those products, an important one is Unity Distribution Portal. We call it UDP in brief. It is one of the powerful weapons Unity launched to help mobile game developers reach and engage their gamers with less efforts but higher efficiencies among different distribution channels. We all know that the gaming market is increasingly distributed. From a regional perspective, APAC region generates more than 50% of the global market. China is the biggest mobile game market in the world, with 620 million mobile players, taking almost one-third of the global market. For game developers, it presents both tremendous opportunities and new challenges. Android ecosystem in APAC is very fragmented. Therefore, to seize the opportunity in this region, developers usually need to distribute to multiple stores. That means developers have to deal with different SDKs, proprietary payment systems, governance, and regulatory conditions of each store. Throughout the life cycle of these games, developers have to deal with these challenges again and again when there's any update from a store. Now here comes the solution, UDP. It allows developers to distribute to multiple stores in new markets through a single hub. So developers can distribute their new games on Huawei App Gallery or many other platforms more easily, truly enable create once, publish everywhere. Launched in open beta about a year ago, we have already seen more than 400 apps now active on UDP. There are a total of 13,000 developers from 2,000 organizations who have created accounts on UDP as of this January. UDP currently supports 9 different app stores, reaching over 500 million players across the globe. This year, we will welcome a few more app stores to join the force. In a nutshell, if you are an Android game studio and interested in publishing to emerging markets, especially in China, UDP will be your handy tool to reach more players. Take the Huawei App Gallery as an example. The App Store is preloaded on every Huawei mobile device sold in 170 countries and regions. In 2019, it generates 210 billion app distribution worldwide. Huawei is a very important partner of Unity in China, and our collaboration started in an early stage as we were planning to roll out our UDP product. The goal of UDP is to save developers time, make publishing games across multiple app stores easier. What we are working on with Huawei is to making it even more convenient for developers. We have an integrated Huawei Game Services account and IP kits into our UDP. It means that UDP developers do not have to integrate these SDKs again if they are publishing their games to the Huawei App Gallery, which could save them a lot of time. Currently, this is the first and only game service kit that we have integrated to UDP. It allows developers to build features like achievements, rankings, player sign-ins, and statistics for the Huawei App Gallery more easily. In the future, we will integrate more features from Huawei HMS Core Kit into UDP, further lowering the cost and saving the precious time for developers who want to publish and operate their games on Huawei App Gallery. Our team is already making significant progress on that. We are very excited about our deepened partnership with Huawei, and we are looking forward to collectively bring more values to developers of the world in the near future. By launching powerful tools like UDP and collaborating with great partners like Huawei, Unity not only makes it easier for developers to create amazing games, but also help them unlock new opportunities, more easily publishing their games to reach 620 million mobile players in China. Unity and Huawei share a common goal, which is to help developers succeed. At Unity, we always put developers first, as we can only be successful when our developers are successful. This is the end of my speech. Thank you very much. Hope we can connect again very soon. Take care, everyone.